Thank you for taking the time to watch the following video about the best products of this year. With so many products available, which one is the right model for you? The purpose of this video is to provide you the best choices available today. We have conducted many hours of research and comparisons, along with in-depth reviews from homeowners just like you that have purchased these products in the past. We feel that the following video will help you make a more decisive decision. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's get started.
Congratulations! You just bought a WGen 2000 watt inverter generator, and now you need to know how to get her running. The following simple steps will show you how to prepare your generator for its first load. Start by placing the generator on a level surface. Remove the 3 screws holding the side panel in place in order to gain access to the oil fill opening. This panel is on the right-hand side of the generator and features an oil fill label to help signify the location of the opening. Slide the panel off to reveal the bright orange oil fill cap in the bottom right-hand corner of the generator. Unscrew the oil fill cap in order to gain access to the opening. To avoid tipping the generator, use a funnel to put in 0.35 liters of oil. You'll know the generator has enough once you can see the oil climbing up the threads of the opening. At this point, screw the oil cap back into place and reattach the side panel of the generator. Next step is to add gasoline. Unscrew the top and pour in up to 1 gallon of 87 octane minimum gasoline until the surface of the gas reaches the bottom of the fuel filter. To start the generator, first turn the vacuum release valve on top of the gasoline cap to the on position. Next, make sure all electronics are unplugged from the generator and the economy switch is off. Turn the dial over to the choke position and then give the recoil starter a pull. Once the generator is fired up, switch the dial back to the on position. The output light should be glowing green as a sign that the generator is running properly. Finally, to turn the generator off, simply switch the dial over to the off position. If you still seem to have troubles getting the generator up and running, or if you just have general questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-232-1195. Remember when you had a reliable yet quiet generator?
Remember when?
A truly powerful workhorse generator. This is the WGen7500 by Westinghouse, an open-frame portable generator producing up to 9,500 peak watts and up to 7,500 running watts. The dependable OHV Westinghouse engine delivers long run times, making it an ideal choice for home backup power with plenty of ways to connect, including the transfer switch-ready twist lock outlet and 2 dual 120-volt outlets. The push-button start, remote start key fob, digital data center, and host of built-in safety features make it a smart, versatile solution to your portable power needs. The WGen7500 portable generator by Westinghouse. Power when you need it, power where you need it.